Tommy and the Talking Toy. Once upon a time in the bustling city of Brightville, there lived a young boy named Tommy. Tommy was an inquisitive and imaginative child who always found joy in exploring the world around him. One day, as he strolled through the local market, he stumbled upon a quaint toy shop that seemed to call out to him. Intrigued, Tommy entered the toy shop, and his eyes widened with wonder at the array of colorful toys that lined the shelves. However, one particular toy caught his attention: a small, talking robot named Robbie. As Tommy picked up Robbie, the toy's eyes lit up, and it spoke in a cheerful voice. "Hello, Tommy. I've been waiting for you." Tommy couldn't believe his ears. He replied, "Did you just talk?" Robbie nodded and said, "That's right. I'm not just any toy. I'm a magical talking toy, and I'm here to be your friend." Amazed and delighted, Tommy decided to take Robbie home. Little did he know that this talking toy would turn his ordinary days into extraordinary adventures. From that day forward, Tommy and Robbie became inseparable. They played games, solved puzzles, and even went on imaginary journeys together. Robbie's magical ability to talk and share stories opened up a world of language and creativity for Tommy, helping him improve his English skills in a fun and interactive way. Tommy's parents noticed the positive change in their son and were thrilled to see him so engaged in learning. They encouraged Tommy and Robbie's adventures, realizing that education could be both entertaining and enriching. One day, as Tommy and Robbie explored the city's park, they encountered a group of children playing. With Robbie's friendly guidance, Tommy approached the group, and soon enough, they were all playing and laughing together. The talking toy had not only become Tommy's language companion, but also a bridge to new friendships. As the sun set on another day in Brightville, Tommy and Robbie sat on a bench in the park, reflecting on their many adventures. Tommy's English had improved, and he had gained confidence in communicating with others. The story of Tommy and the talking toy became a favorite tale in Brightville, inspiring other children to embrace the joy of learning through play and friendship. And so, in the heart of the bustling city, a small toy shop became a magical place where language, imagination, and friendship intertwined, creating stories that would be cherished for generations to come.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.